Today we say goodbye to beautiful New York and head to Los Angeles on American Airlines. This is our journey and I hope you enjoy it. When travelling first class with American Airlines, there are a few perks at the airport, such as their VIP check-in area, which makes it go incredibly fast, and they escort you through security. Then you head up to the Flagship First Class Lounge, which is absolutely amazing. It's such a big lounge, we've actually done a separate review on it, so check out our channel and it's on there. Now would be a great time to subscribe to our channel, we'd really appreciate it. As you can see, the lounge is very quiet. It's about 5:30 in the morning, so we were one of the first in the lounge. We had our first breakfast for the day in the dining room and it was very delicious. Our second breakfast was in the plane. Watching the morning sun hit the skyline of Manhattan was a real delight this morning. The beauty of travelling with American Airlines first class is everyone gets all access and everyone gets a window seat. So beautiful view guaranteed. The earphones American Airlines uses for first class is Bang & Olufsen and they were really good sound quality. Highly recommend. New York was freezing for us Australians. As you can see, there was plenty of ice and snow at the airport. The dining on board was absolutely delicious. I started with some coffee, then some sliced fruit, and ended up with some delicious avocado on toast. Very healthy. Sleeping was made easy on the flight with a full flat-lying bed, beautifully soft pillow and blankets. I think I slept 3 hours, but we did wake up at about 2 o'clock in the morning for this flight. On most flights, I just love watching the map, looking out the window and just daydreaming about my flight. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the review. And please feel free to subscribe, there's lots more reviews on the way.